juice, too much sauce. Too much sauce, too much juice. Too much juice, too much sauce.
Hey guys, so we are doing a skincare routine using all Dermalogica products. I am super excited. Let's jump right into it. So to start off, I am going to use their pre-cleanser to get all the makeup that I have on my face off. This thing is pure magic. I mean, like, I don't even know the words to use for it. And I'm not saying it because, you know, I want to say it or because they sent me the products or whatever. But I honestly, I'm obsessed with the pre-cleanser because it takes off like literally everything. I use 3 little round cotton balls, and you know, basically once you're done taking off the makeup, you just apply a little bit of water and just use it to kind of like rub everything in, just to get everything off. Honestly, I'm obsessed with this thing. I'm almost out of the bottle. That's how crazy I am about the pre-cleanser. Once that is done, I am just going to go ahead and wash it off my face. And I mean, I have to get, because you know, I don't have a forehead, and my hairline and my forehead meets together. So whenever I apply makeup, I end up like getting some in my hair. So I always want to make sure that I get everything out. Next, I'm going to use the cleansing gel to cleanse my face. This one makes your face feels like a baby's butt. Like, I mean, your face feels so soft and just so smooth, and I don't know, it's something about Dermalogica, and I know that their product is very expensive, but I honestly feel like it is 100% worth it. I mean, shit, my face is gonna feel like a baby behind. I want it. So I also love the pre-cleanser. I'm gonna go ahead and, again, like I said, just use that to cleanse everything. You're supposed to cleanse, or I guess rub your face in for 1 minute straight, and that's with every face cleansing, whatever that you use. It's supposed to be a 1 minute routine, no less than 1 minute. I know some people just go in, just like 5 seconds and you're done. No, it's supposed to be 1 minute. Then I'm gonna go ahead again and wash everything off. This was really hard to film, guys, because it's like you're trying to find a place to place your camera and not get it wet because you're going to be washing your face. You got to make sure that the camera is catching everything. I mean, it was difficult, but I had fun filming this. If you guys want to know where I got my bonnet, let me know, and I will, you know, comment back or put it in the description box below for you guys, so if just in case you want to order it. This is a great bonnet if you have like braids, like really full braids. It's really big. I will do a video showing you guys, you know, all the details and stuff. So next I'm gonna go in with the Daily Micro something, I've missed it, but it's basically like a daily exfoliating rice thing, and you just pour, it's like a powder form, of course. You put some in your hand, you add water, you mix it until you get like a pasty type of consistency, and then you just rub it together in your hands, and then, you know, go in and just massage your face. It's funny because as I'm like doing the voiceover, I'm really like demonstrating how to do it, like you guys can see me. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and just use this and just kind of like moisturize, not moisturize, but exfoliate with it. I guess it's called a rice cleanser because it does feel like little tiny like rice, like when you're scrubbing it in, you can really feel it. And this is also supposed to be done for 1 minute, no less than 1 minute. And by the time 1 minute is up, you can feel that you don't feel the little ricey, what's the word I'm looking for? You know, like you don't feel nothing scrubbing against your face because I guess everything has dissolved. So yeah, you just keep doing it until everything dissolves. I love this thing. However, if you have like really dry skin, I don't know how this is gonna work out for you, because by the time I am done, I need to put, oh my goodness, Maddie. By the time I'm done, we'll get into that once it gets to the end. But when you're doing, they say use it daily, but I honestly like to do it maybe once or twice a week, because too much of it is just too much. I find that too much of it really makes your face really dry. That's if you have like dry skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash that off. and then we are going to move on to the next thing. I cannot believe I am talking through this whole thing. Like, I haven't even taken a break, but it's all good. So I'm just washing everything off. I hate the fact that my face is like really light, and then my neck is not really light, but it's light, and then my neck is dark, and then it's so weird. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and dry everything off, dry off the water. Just pat, make sure you're patting, you're not scrubbing, just patting the water off your face. And then we are gonna get into moisturizer. So for the moisturizer, I'm using their Dynamic Skin Recovery Moisturizer. You can use whatever moisturizer you want, that's fine, but I prefer, see, I'm the type of person that if I am using a brand, I have to stick to that brand, especially when it comes to skincare. I don't like to jump from brand to brand. So if I'm using Dermalogica or Pixi, whatever face cleanser, I have to make sure that my moisturizer and everything else is by that brand. So I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face and just put all the moisture and everything back, because that exfoliating thing really like dried up my face. But once I do this, I also go ahead and apply oil. I like the 𝒹𝓊 Nourishing Oil. I like to apply that on top of my moisturizer, and then honestly, that's it. I am good to go. So I'm just patting the moisturizer and making sure that it absorbs in the skin. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you. Oh, well, I guess I'm not done. So this is the eye stress reliever cream thing. I actually really like it. I don't know, whenever I use it, around my eyes just feels cool and calm. It has this weird, I don't know if it's the applicator or what it is, but I really, really love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions of videos you would like for me to do, and I will get to it. Goodbye. Look at that skin. Yes, honey. I love it. Yes. Thank you. Bye.